What's up all, welcome again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you a dining table set with 4 chairs that I made for my client, and this is how I did shape the top of the dining table. As you can see, I had a rounded edges as my client wanted, and also I did make 4 chairs for it. Also, it had a very unique base for it, and I used this round block boards. As you can see, the diameter for this one was 16, just in case you want to use the measurements that I did use during this DIY. The dining table was a 4-seater for this set, and this is just the tools and the materials that I did use during this process. The other thing that I had was these pieces of wood that I did use to join the round circles. As you can see, the round circles, and I'll be using nails and wood glue during this whole process, and then the paint job I'll do it and tell you the process. So after joining the 2 pieces, because I had a set of 2, after joining them, this is what I came up with, and this will be the base for this dining table. As you can see, that is how the skeleton will look like. So this is basically the idea of the dining table, and I'm going to be working on this one until the end. So the height was 75 centimeters, the height for the dining table, and then it was a 4-seat. As you can see, I also did make these structures. These are the chairs, the chair structures. It was metallic. I did use metals. Also, I did cut those circular ones. The diameter for those one was 18 inches. I also had this one carved at a local market around us or near my shop. This one for the back side of the chair. As you can see, I'm just explaining in the video everything. I'm just showing you everything. So during this whole DIY, I'm going to be showing you practically what I'm doing during the video. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, just watch the video till the end, because I'm sure all the illustrations that I'm giving you or showing you in the video, I will explain everything or make sense to you when you watch the video. So I also had this fluted piece of board. This one was a 9mm piece of MDF board. We did use a router machine to cut the channels there to make these patterns, and then I used 1-inch nails to nail down this MDF board around the structure that I did make earlier. So this is what I did come up with. So you can see now, you can see the clear picture on how the dining table will look like. Also, you have a clear picture on how the chairs will look like. So the remaining parts that I'm going to be doing is the fabric part for these chairs, the paint work for these chairs. As you can see, I've already primed them using a primer. Also, the paint job for this dining table, and we started by priming it. So we usually start by priming it and then later on do the finishing of the paint. So now I have this foam here. I'm going to be using this foam to cover the sitting area of the chair, also the back part of the chair, and I'll be using this contact glue to attach the foam onto the surfaces of these pieces of wood, as you can see, and this is how they will look like. Yeah, I did cover it this way so that it will be very spongy and very comfortable when you sit on that chair. Yeah, so that is basically what I'm going to be doing. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Then this is the fabric that I'm going to be using on these chairs. You can see it's very a good, very soft fabric for this one, and this is how it's going to be looking after wrapping the fabric on it. And I'll be covering the lower side of this part. As you can see, I had other fabrics to cover them, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing to all the chairs. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps and materials that I've used during this process. I usually use contact glue, I use nails, I also use screws, I also use staple gun and scissors. I just use the normal materials and products during this DIY. So this is something you can try on your own. And I'm done with those parts for the sitting area. Now I'm just going to be making the backrest of the chairs, and I'll be splitting those ones into two. Then the other thing that we did, because we were multitasking, like making the chairs, making the dining top, making everything at the same time, we are going to be priming the top part of the dining table. As you can see, we are going to be priming it very well, and then we are going to be painting it. And I usually use acrylic based paints if you want to use them. They are car paints, automotive paints, and yeah, that is basically what I do. And I usually use this spray gun, to do the paint job, because at least when you use a spraying gun, the paint job will come out very neatly. You will not disappoint your client. So now that is basically what we are going to be doing. You can also visit our channel for more info, for more entertainment and more ideas, because we usually post different things, different DIYs, makeovers videos, transformation videos in our channel. So you can just visit our channel, watch more of our videos, like them, comment and share with your friends and family, and I'll be very, very grateful for that. So keep watching the video and tell me what you think in the comment section.